Hello everybody and welcome back to Visit FYLDE Coast. We're in Fleetwood this afternoon. I'm just on my way to the hairdressers and I'm a minute or two early, and I've just noticed one or two new shops that are opening. This is Poulton Road, so if you follow the road that way, round there, you would come to the Strawberry Gardens and then Aldi and GT's, and then there are various other smaller shops round the back of there. So this is Poulton Road, in that confusing rabbit warren of streets called Fleetwood. Goodness me, did I get lost a lot in Fleetwood before I worked out where I was supposed to be going. So I'm off for my hair doing. So I thought, bearing in mind I've got a minute or two to kill, we would have a look at what's happening in Fleetwood Town Centre. Reuse shop. I just realised what that is. There you go, eco refill store. So anybody that's wanting to be environmentally friendly, you can pop in here and you can get all your dry foods and stuff. He's waving at me. He's waving at me, look. Hello. I didn't know you were here.
Well, you know now.
I know now. Everybody knows now. I've got you captured on camera. So I've just noticed some new shops in Fleetwood on my way around. I'm from Visit FYLDE Coast.
Okay, yeah.
So I thought I'd just capture you on camera. Have a nice day. Junk shop. That doesn't look like junk, does it? It doesn't look like junk at all. That one's obviously being done up. Pet shop. What have we got over here? We've got the Halifax. There's a sewing, clothing and alteration shop there as well. Don't very often come down Poulton Road. Ooh, dog prams. Now then, they're nice, aren't they? Natty. Got a Stars and Stripes one on that one. We've got a lot of people that have got older dogs in this area, so you will definitely see plenty of dog prams. So I'll show you where I'm going for my hair doing. I'm going to Rory Blair's, which is just up there. So I when I went in, I said I need help. So we've got nail shops, jewellers, food shops. That looks nice over there, that little gift shop on that corner. Elentia, is that how you say it? Royal Oak. A fine building, and it looks much better painted in cream rather than the blue that it used to be. And this is what I've just noticed on the left hand side down here, so come with me. It's a bit blowy. It's been absolutely throwing it down this morning, as you can tell by the road that looks a little bit wet. You can hear the cars kicking it up. So there's loads of different things in Fleetwood, and of course the Affinity, not the Freeport, Affinity that's the tram stop for Affinity, just at the end of there where that little funny building is, and you turn left there and just walk down that side street. So there's quite a few shops to look at, and obviously there's the market as well. This used to be Athloston's, and it's still waiting for a new tenant. This is the one that I was looking at. I just noticed it on the way past, and would you believe they sell cake? Wouldn't you know that I'd spot that one? Oh, waffles, crepes, cookie dough, fudge brownies, cheesecakes, cake bakes, milkshakes and ice cream. And that's called Indulge. Tell you what, we'll stick our nose through the door, shall we? Oh, how lovely is that? Oh, look at the cakes. Can we have a look at the cakes? They look really nice. How long have you been here?
Here, at the store.
Yeah.
A week.
A week?
Feels like a year.
It still smells new. It's lovely. How nice is that? I think somebody's still fastening things together down there, look. Wow, that's lovely. Walling's ice cream. Lovely. Perfect job. That's what we like to see, that. People opening new stores in our town centres. Barbers. I can't actually remember seeing that, if I'm honest. Not that I go to a barber's. You understand? And then you're a bit further down the high street. Now, this Turkish barbers on the right-hand side is where Fisherman's Friends had their very first shop. Where old James Lofthouse first started selling his linctus at the time, before it got made into lozenges. There's a Peacock's down there as well on the right hand side. There's not been a tram, has there? My timing's slipping today. Another pub. Loads of these lovely, beautiful period properties in Fleetwood as well. I do like these old buildings. And what was I going to say then? Trams, yes, trams. Up until recently, Fleetwood was the only town in Britain that actually had trams running down the main road that the cars used. Did you know that? This is a nice one, the Mole Hole. Lovely little gift shop, this. Full of all kinds of nice stuff and cards and gifts and trinkets. Show you the window. They sell Charlie Bears, have they? I think they're, aren't they? Yeah, Charlie Bears. That's pretty. They're pretty. One for the ladies, that one. Staggeringly expensive, these. You can buy them on QVC. Really expensive. Nice chemists. Subway. And this is Peacock's on the right hand side down here. And then just after Peacock's is a church, which is where the trees are. And the market is right down at the bottom end of... Ooh, goodness me, that's a gale. It's right down at the bottom end of Fleetwood, down there, just right where that white building is. Now this is where it all gets confusing. I told you that Fleetwood is confusing, didn't I? That's the health centre, which is on the front of the Dock Road. I think that's Dock Street. And if I can, without getting killed, I'm going to show you where the mount is, because the mount, oh, you can't see it for the trees, the mount is right at the end of there.
Hi, love.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Oh, fantastic. So you can see how if you're in a car and you get lost, just drive, you'll come to water at some point. Yeah, so this is the little church that you couldn't quite see for the buildings. This is what used to be Marks and Spencer's. This is Fleetwood's blot on the landscape. It was Marks and Spencer's originally, then it became Littlewoods. Then it became Store 21, which was actually not a bad shop. And then eventually it shut. And it's now a blot. Not for want of people trying to do something with it, I might add. And this is a really nice little DIY shop, and it's got that DIY shop smell. Can you smell that? Lovely. That kind of creosote and, oh, that's one of them birds, look. They're them that you put on a like a carbon fibre pole, and they fly and they're supposed to repel seagulls, but they don't. Kettles, nice kitchen stuff. Oh, teapots like what you get in a hotel. They're nice. Right, I think we'll leave that there because I'm going to be late for my appointment otherwise. I thought we'd just have a little a little look around Fleetwood on a little bit of an inclement Friday afternoon in August. It's a nice little town, it's well worth visiting. So just make sure that you've subscribed to the Visit FYLDE Coast YouTube channel. Hit that little bell for notifications. Don't forget to give this video a like and share it with your friends, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.